Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make baked donuts. This turned out so delicious, it's yummicious, it's easy to make, and you can make thousands of this in no time. I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add in melted butter, followed by honey, sugar. I'll add in a pinch of salt and vanilla extract. You can use any flavor of your choice. I then added in eggs, and then I'll mix this till well combined. Once it's well combined, I'll add in milk and then mix it again. But then you can add the milk. I nearly forget to add in the milk, but you can add the milk together with the wet ingredients and mix all together till well combined, just like so. After, I'll go ahead and add in the dry ingredients, which is the flour and baking powder. So I divided it into two parts and then mix it till well combined, and I added in the rest. So make sure you divide it into two so that the ingredients will mix well. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. After sieving in the dry ingredients, make sure you stir it together or mix it so well combined again. This is the consistency you're looking for. I'll then keep this in the fridge for 2 hours, but which is totally optional. If you want it to bake it right ahead, please add in extra 2 tablespoons of flour to make it a little bit more thick. But then if you want to keep it aside for at least 2 hours, make sure you use the same ingredients, the same amount of the ingredients that I used. So after 2 hours in the fridge, I took it out. Make sure you cover it with a cling film before putting it in the fridge. After 2 hours, I took it out and then I'll turn it into a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, you can use a plastic bag and then cut the tip and then pour it in your donut baking pan. This recipe is simple, easy. You can make thousands of this in no time. All you have to do is make your batter and set it aside. Once they are done baking, remove it and then bake the next one, the next batch, the next batch, and the next batch again, and you are good to go. So this is a simple recipe that you can even make for your kids' party. When done, tap to take out any excess bubbles and then bake this at 170 degrees Celsius for at least 15 minutes. And that's all. Just look at it. Just look at how it came out. It's moist, it's very soft, it's so delicious. Try this and let me know in the comment section or in the description box below. Just look at this amazing donut. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this amazing super soft baked donut. Just look at it. This is easy, it's simple. In no time you are ready and you are good to go. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.